In this video, I want to explain this strategy to find more Facebook ads that are people drop shipping. I talked about a strategy yesterday where you can turn on this Google Chrome extension called called Turbo Ad Finder. Basically, it filters through your whole Facebook feed, showcasing just the ads, which that is cool in itself. But there's an addition to that that I mentioned in the video yesterday, but I didn't actually show you exactly how to do it. And I'm a very practical person, so I want to hop into my computer and show you exactly how to get it to where you're making it, tricking Facebook basically to think that you are a purchaser, that you're an engaged shopper, so that they now show you these more ads that are converting to purchase, that people are targeting engaged shoppers, just because that is where you're gonna start finding these high ticket, high valued ads. So without further ado, I don't want to ramble, we're gonna get into my computer right now, let's do it. So now that we're on Facebook, basically what you guys want to do, be sure you have this Google Chrome extension installed and turn it on, Turbo Ad Finder, turn on this one, or make sure this one's installed as well, Facebook Pixel Helper, you're gonna need both of those. Well, Turbo Ad Finder isn't needed. It's free though, so I don't know why you wouldn't download it. But basically what we want to do, once you have this Turbo Ad Finder installed, you want to find an ad. So here's one. I don't want to turn on the audio, but all we have to do is click Shop Now. And then we want to go to Shop Now. Just basically go through the whole funnel, add it to cart. Oops. Add it. It's a lot of stuff getting thrown at me. Add to cart. And then we want to proceed with checking out. So let's go to checkout. And now it will start to pull this. And basically what we want to do is we want to come here and get the initiate checkout ID. So grab this right here, Command C. And then what we want to do is we want to plug this in to this text right here. I'll leave a link in the description to get access to this text. Oops, that was an AliExpress link. And then after that, we also need to get the product cost. So just do the value right here, Command copy, and then paste the value right here. And then basically what you want to do is copy all of it and go to the checkout. And you want to click it, or I do that by double tapping on my keyboard. You guys might be able to right click and input it, but then you want to come here to console, paste that in, hit enter. Now what's going to happen is we see the purchase pixel fired. So basically what now just happened is we are now acting as if someone just purchased something on their store. It's not going to give them a sale on Shopify, obviously. Like, it's not like they're going to get paid now. This isn't a free printing money tactic. But now what we can do is have Facebook show us better ads. So ads that are more likely to cater to engaged shoppers. So if I refresh it, I'm going to assume we're going to get targeted with some more ads. So yes, let me make sure this is on, which I think, yeah, it is. Yeah, look at, as you guys can tell, we're already getting hit with like a lot of ads like this. So this is a translator. We have this stuff right here, which is what is it? I don't really know. I'm not sure. But as you guys can tell, like, we're getting hit with so many more ads that are catered towards more engaged shoppers. So if you continuously do this like every single day and look for ads, you're going to be getting a lot of high quality ads that are catered towards engaged shoppers. This is important because the thing with this is we want to make sure we're seeing what products people are marketing today, what products people are selling today, and how they're marketing it. Take note, all these are videos, guys. None of them are photos. So that's one of the big things. Videos convert so well with Facebook ads. If you guys aren't doing videos, I don't know what you're doing. Even if you can just order the product and ship it to someone from Fiverr and have them create a video ad for you. Very easy to do. It won't cost you too much. It can get pricey. I know people who pay a few $1,000s for that stuff, but overall, we can start going through some of these and check them out. But yeah, once you start doing this and start adding stuff to cart, and then after you add it to cart, you start doing the purchase little purchase hack. You can start getting hit with a ton of ads that are very, very good. I found one yesterday. I'm not going to show you guys it because it's a product that I want to begin to private label and create a whole sales page with that and start selling it off as my own brand. I want to start doing that with a product I literally found yesterday, doing this exact method. So it is very valuable. I think it's of use to you guys. you know, a lot of people don't know that this is possible. So here's an LED laser glove. I really don't know who would wear this, probably like rave people, I'm going to assume. Yeah, or like people who just watched the movie Spider-Man. But you can just take note of everyone's sales page. That's the biggest thing, making sure you understand, number one, how people are selling, number two, what is in their product descriptions, and number three, how they are sort of positioning themselves as far as like, are they the seller, are they drop shipping, are they do they have fulfillment centers, like all this stuff. So this looks like they're drop shipping 1 to 2 weeks. They might be having a fulfillment center do it. That's not AliExpress. So it definitely depends. But yeah, that is something I do on a daily basis. I go through my computer when I wake up, do this with like 1 or 2 products, and then I wait till the end of the day, and then I'm up till probably like midnight going through to find new products. This is a product research hack that I value very highly. It's something that, you know, a lot of people don't talk about. A lot of people don't know that this is possible. And who should? You know, like this isn't something that a lot of people do know about just because it's something kind of random. Like it's not like you just click a few buttons and boom, you're good. Like you have to actually embed a piece of code into the inspect element tab and then on the console. So it is something a little more in depth, which I think scares a lot of people away, but it's very easy to do. It will literally require like a few seconds of work to better yourself and to be put or to be shown way more ads that are way more likely to already be converting. So I think it's just a very important overall tactic that you guys can apply to your dropshipping business right now. So if you guys don't actually want to go through this whole process of trying to find products that may win but may not, I've actually put together a list of 30 products, 30 products, that I have the buy price, how much we can buy it for, how much we can sell it for through dropshipping, and how much we'll be able to profit. I also have, for every product that I've listed out, I have it linked to a successful dropshipping store that is selling that individual product. So there's 30 dropshipping stores in this list, and 30 products, and 30 buy and sell and profit margins for each individual product. If you guys would like to pick up that list, I'll leave a link in my description. But other than that, hope you guys did get value from this video. I'm super excited to bring you these types of in-depth videos where it's specific strategies that you guys can go and apply right now. It definitely seems like it does help more people, what I've noticed, and people are getting a little hyped in the comments below about like these strategies that I'm posting about. So I will continuously provide value in this sense. You know, dropshipping is a great business model. I think it's a good, like I mentioned, it's a good stepping stone. You need to test products, figure out what products are working, and then after that, I think the overall move is private labeling your products and selling them as a business or as a brand rather than just dropshipping them. So you can build long-term customer rapport and build a long-term customers that are actually buying from you on a very consistent basis. But other than that, I don't want to take up any more of your time. I have a meeting to get to in 8 minutes. It's just on the phone in my office. So if you guys have any other questions or recommendations, you can drop those in the comment section below. I'm going to do my best to reply to all of them and also edit this video and publish it as fast as possible. It's 11. I'll have a meeting for the next 20 minutes. So, you know, give me some time to edit it. But if you have any other, again, questions or recommendations, comment section. And if you did enjoy that, please, that video and those tips, please leave a thumbs up. And if you have not already, click that beautiful looking subscribe button below. But other than that, I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Oh, also, if you guys want to follow me on Instagram or Snapchat, links are all in the description. Links are in the description for everything. I will see you guys. Oh, and the download link. I can't forget to do that. I always forget to add the links. I'll leave a link for that code below so you guys will have access to all that stuff for free. Other than that, I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.